Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learn with Sahira. In this video, I'm going to give you the most important questions for the subject physics, which is for degree semester 1 BSc students. These questions are based on your new syllabus. Definitely watch the video till end and get perfect with all the questions whatever I'm giving you in this video so that you can easily score good marks in your physics subject examination. If you're new to our YouTube channel Learn with Sahira, subscribe it for exam preparation videos and do not forget to share this video, share this channel with your friends and classmates. Students, if you want a damn sure important question and answers notes for all subjects and languages of degree first semester, which are easy, simple, clear to understand and 100% exam oriented, then message me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is Learn with Sahira. Link is available in this video description as well as the comment section. Just message me want notes along with your group and semester. I will be giving you the access to all the notes. But remember, there is a small payment. Very small payment because it took me invest a lot of time, hard work, and efforts. But believe me, you will be seeing excellent results with these notes. Only the students who want the note should text me. Keeping this aside, let us get started with most important questions of physics. First, we are going to see long important questions from each unit. Then we will be moving with short important questions. Students from unit number 1, these are the top 5 important questions which you need to be perfect with in order to score full marks from unit number 1. If you are perfect with these 5 questions, definitely whatever the question they might ask you from unit number 1, you will be able to write it. I hope you had a look on these questions or just make a note of it or take a screenshot. It will be helpful for you to get prepared. And if you don't take a screenshot or if you don't make a note of it, do not worry at all. Whatever the questions you are finding in this video, whatever the questions I'm showing you on the screen, all these questions with their easy, simple explanation answers are already available. Those notes are easy and exam ready. If you want them, message me on my Instagram. Students, talking about unit number 2, in unit number 2, you are having top 4 questions. These 4 questions are enough from unit number 2. Be perfect with all the 4 questions, no need to leave any question. Talking about unit number 3, these are the 4 top questions from unit number 3. Definitely you need to be perfect with these 4 questions. Okay, 4 questions. And the last unit, unit number 4, here you are having again 4 top questions. As you see on the screen, you need to be perfect with all these 4 questions from unit number 4, last unit. We have seen all long important questions from each unit. Students, please do not leave any question. Be perfect with all the questions. If you just want passing marks with good marks, or if you want to get passed with good marks, you just be perfect with 3 units. Leave one unit of your choice. Whatever you feel like it is difficult, you can leave that unit and you can get perfect with 3 units if you want to pass with good marks. But if you want to score O grade, please be perfect with all the questions. Now I'm going to show you short important questions on the screen. Please take a screenshot or make a note of it. If not, exam ready notes are available, ma. All the students who want the note should text me on my Instagram ID. Link is available in this video description, or else you just search for Learn with Sahira on Instagram. You will be finding our ID. Okay, so yes students, these are the short important questions from each unit. Just give a reading to the short. Anyway, you will be able to write short in very easy way. If you want any other video from my side, please let me know in the comment section and join us on our Telegram channel as well. On Telegram channel also, I will be uploading so many informative videos. Telegram channel link and Instagram ID link is available in this video description as well as the comment section. Follow me on my Instagram, join me on my Telegram. All the very best. Bye bye.